You had a dream. Maybe you still do, or maybe life hit too hard and it slipped away. Listen, dreams can change. Goals can shift. That's not weakness. That's growth. What matters is that you don't stop chasing. You don't stop building. You don't stop becoming. The vision might evolve, the path might bend, but the fire in you, it stays lit. So if you're standing in the ruins of an old dream, build a new one, stronger, wiser, unstoppable. Keep walking, warrior. The mission isn't over. Don't run from the ashes. Rebuild from them. Subscribe and keep walking forward.